Hi, welcome to Data Ad Hoc stream number 35, and today we will continue to part 2 for exploring Bhuvan's geo data. So let's check. Last time we have covered thematic services and I think for ocean services as well. Check. No, we only covered till thematic services. So let's check ocean services today. So here we can see uh, we need to check Andaman and choose coast. So here since this region is small, we can directly we there is no need to select coast, but we can select coast. And here we can see PF, potential fishing zone. So that's that. And I think here is so instead of selecting one coast, we can select all. So here we can see lighthouse are arranged. So we now we have I have selected North Tamil Nadu, and where here we can see there are many coast available. So we will select one. So there is no immediate potential fishing lines or fishing zone. So and loud lighthouse are there, but let's check other. Yeah, so here we can see. So I have so so for this region you can select any coast, and for this region you can see these are potential fishing zone lines, this red yellow one, and after that there are fishing zone we can see here. So for some region it is nearer to coast, but for some region it is far away from coast. So the basically for this ocean services is about for potential fishing zone. Okay, and you can here check different uh, map types. So that's it for ocean services. Let's check for disaster management services. For disaster management services, we can see there are it is divided into different sections. So for near real time flood monitoring, so I think it will be only available for Assam. Okay, so there are different states are mentioned here. So let's check for Manipur. They have latest data from June and May. Let's check that. Activate swipe. So let's check Assam only as of now, because in Assam there are more chances of flood as compared to other. Okay, so here we are. We need to zoom in for Assam. Then we can see uh, with swipe. Okay, activate swipe, we can, with swipe we can see what is the what is the area for that states who is flood, who can be affected by flood. So we can see the region gets darker or tributary we can see of Brahmaputra where flood chances are more. With this you can check for deactivate swipe. Okay, with the deactivate you can see the changes, but with activate swipe you can see changes. Mumbai heavy rains. Okay, so heavy rain affected area parts of Mumbai. So it is for 12 April 2019 and 18 July 2021. You can say many uh, Bharni Pada waterlogging, and this is Kelwa Road. You can see changes here with this flood. There are different section available for Mumbai and historical floods as well. For different timeline you can see different portions, so as per that particular timeline. So this is for flood related, and flood early warning also is there. So GND station. So for they have two basin, Godavari and Tapi. So this section is applicable for that. So for Tapi you can see GND stations, rivers. So different river we can see here. Tapi, Panjara, then Girna, Purna, and basin is also mentioned. So for that river, what is the basin area for that, and sub watershed. So you will get idea about that river and early flood related warning as well. So these two layers are not required, but with this GND stations, river and basin, you can see it is similar for Godavari. So you can see GND. Let's say check for first river. So it is almost covering central India part with sub. This is sub watershed area, almost similar to basin. Then JND stations, where are they located, and you can see villages as well. So in this part area where early flood warning uh, like is required, because villages are located here. Latest data was integrated at NHP. So this is latest data. This I think special flood early warning system. So this section is I think old, and this is new one where you can see same but in detail map, same detail but latest map and with high accuracy. You can see here charts as well, water level and what is the discharge level. You can here select check for particular dam or reservoir level. It is very useful for uh, people located near to that region, because during flood it will with this information we can plan a disaster management program very well. So very useful for that. Simulation. So after that, let's check flood. I'm not going to in detail because it will take time, much time to cover that. So I will just go superficially. It is this, though most of the data set or data here is a historical one, but uh, I think they showed only for demo level, and recent data they are collecting, they are I think directly using through their administrative level, government administrative level, to use in practical level. So real time data is with them, and here they only show demo. So for flood vulnerability index, okay, so we can see slope. So very for red region is very flat, and the gray one is very steep slope. Here we can see rainfall frequency. So western Ghat and northeast India, you can see there is rainfall frequency is more. Probable maximum precipitation in 100 years. So red region you can see precipitation area is more. So apart from this like data, you can check individual this one map as a different part, or to understand different types of map. You can use data to create these different types of map as well. Runoff potential very high, this region very less. Okay, let's check railway. Okay, we can see whole railway map here. Railway lines, India seems very well connected through railway. Water bodies, I need to uncheck. So from this you can get more idea about where our water bodies are present. You can zoom in and check for detail, like for a particular district or particular region as well. Mumbai, Goa. Basin board. Not sure what it is, but Mumbai Goa highways. So this is for Vamsadhara. They have created this case study. You can check historical runoff as well. So that's it for flood vulnerability index, flood hazard. So here for flood hazard, the maximum flood in inundation layers corresponding to various layers 1998 to 2019 were integrated for assessing the frequency of inundation and subsequent generation of hazard layer. Okay, you can see view for Assam. We need to select district, or instead of that you can directly check for whole state as well. So for like flood hazard zone is pink is very high, you can see regions here, and for high is in orange one, you can see it's nearer to uh, river. Also you can check for Bihar. And for particular region or district you can check here. So it will marked as outline marked as a black line, and you can check that. So for this states or district, there is no like flood hazard zone related warnings, it seems. But for regions, Begusarai, let's check Begusarai. For this, you can see this red is Tal. For this Khagaria district, you can see the region is like very high like warning is there. So you can use this section for flood hazard zone related warning as well. Then near real times cyclone monitoring. I think it will be beneficial for uh, like east coast, where most of the time cyclones are shown here. So forecast track. Okay, so here we can see this region is where observed track. So real-time cyclone tracking we can see here. So for forecast, there is no forecast available, or no immediate cyclone forecast. And for observed track, we can see here. You can if you click on particular dot, then you will see date time stamp there, like what is the speed of that cyclone category is there. So for first one it is like 20, 12, 24, 12 noon. Then after 6 hours it reached to this area, and after that it reached to this area in night. So we that observed, like it was tracked in this location. So currently have only one. Then landslide hazard zone, it is for only Himachal, Meghalaya and Uttarakhand. Himachal, sure of that. Let's check. We can't select all. We need to select sector. So every time during monsoon, there is a news like landslide happened for most of the time in Uttarakhand. So let's check Uttarakhand, and you can activate swipe as well. So you can check for that region or sector, or you instead of that deactivated and check for all sector at once. Then landslide inventory, not sure what it is. Okay, so in Kerala, there are, in this region there are chances of landslide. Okay, identify features. Okay, so for Kedarnath we can see this region is highlighted. With this zoom in, you can check in detail, like there are there are documents available. You can go through those. And landslide hazard zone, which we have already seen. And for particular timestamp, you there this data is available. So for Maharashtra, I think it's Western Ghat for that, July 2021. So you can go through this details. Then earthquake damage assessment. So it is from 27 April 15. So for Nepal, earthquake data is also available. So here you can see with this color legend that red dot refers to greater than 6.5 magnitude earthquake, and this purple one 4.5 to 5. So and With this, you can check like for uh, pre-event and post-event data. Okay. I can't identify changes. Also for like patients, you can just upgrade map with different checkboxes. Here Kathmandu, we can see damage assessment. Okay, so here we can see for like damage assessment, red one is fully damaged and yellow one is partially damaged area. So during event of natural disaster, you can use this map and take precaution before moving out into that area. Or if you have someone from your family member or relative, then you can check use this map. Okay. So that is for earthquake related and forest fire alert. So latest data is available in real time data. So here we can see this area have real time forest fire. So that is also captured from Bhuvan's data. Okay. For like this is different timestamp, you can check for throughout the country. So here we can see for this region only. Forest fire locations. Okay. So Terra Aqua SNPP. So this is for yesterday data. You can see uh, major impact through this hill region, Western Ghat, Northeast, in this Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Jharkhand area. Live active agriculture fire as well. So, okay. So let's uncheck this one and use this. So like agriculture fire also we can identify from this map. You can identify locations. It is available for till 2015 only, and this is for 2019 only. Then drought monitoring, rainy dry spells. day card. I'm not sure where it is. Okay, for 2016, you can see data. It's what? One, two, three, four. Dry spell. But I'm not sure like exactly, but I think this area, a yellow area, is refers to where uh, uh, dry, that area is dry. You need to select. It is available for I think 2016 only. Soil monitoring, moisture. It is. You can from this soil moisture index we can see for 2015 28 June you can see details like this area it seems very dry. Yes, brown one, and blue one is very wet, so you can identify region. It is more useful for uh, farmers so as per moisture of soils they can decide which crop they want to uh, use. So we almost cover for all disaster management support related, and there is availability of creation of, you can create map as well. For that you need to create user id. I will try in future. And also there are this 2D and 3D maps available. Okay, three. Let's compare both. This is for 2D, this is for 3D. So this currently I am viewing Bhuvan 3D map. Uh, uh, 10 kilometer, and this is for, so you this data is from 2022, and so where, so here we can see 10 kilometer area like range, and this is also 10 kilometer area range, but we can see difference. Bahadurgarh 5 kilometer. For me it seems this 2D area, 3D area, it's very, I like 2D area where details are good. You can zoom in and you can see here actual data with more detail. I think those are sectors or plot, I'm not sure, but you can zoom in more. You can see actual locations, but it is for this data is from 2018, and not very clear, but you get more idea from this that location. And here we have, you can tilt map. Also you can check rotate map as well. And here what it is, one map separate. Okay, they have this. On 2D we can see explore Bhuvan next gen. Okay, so they have separate URL for that. It is very clear. Okay. You can identify locations as well, though. Yeah, right. So it is from 2017, and it's almost not very clear as Google Map, but you get area understanding from that this map as well. Yeah, there is 3D models are there, so let's check. Okay. For Bangalore they have this 3D models, general post of. Okay, so let's zoom in. This is general post office from Bangalore. Think we need to tilt. Okay, so with this tilt movement you can see 3D structure of that area for particular model. So there are these are specific models which they have created. You can explore more with similar structure. Oh, it is almost they kept intact uh, color and actual design of that model, so you can explore more. So then I think Bhuvan Light is light app for map. Then open data archive. You can download that particular data update map. Okay, okay, so you can download data from this portal. Check that. Then for this climate and environment section, products, ocean, atmosphere. They have in detail description or information about different map they're offering. Okay, Bhunidhi, so Vista. You can measure, I think you can measure this. Okay, you can measure locations from this Bhunidhi Vista and or you can measure that area as well. Okay, it's great feature. And so that's it for they have much more detail, so I think it's just a website. You can check on that, but I tried to check on major features from Bhuvan Indian Geo platform of ISRO, and the possibilities are limitless. Though it is historical data, uh, we can understand what they are offering, and we can use that data to create map, and those data are available as well. So that's it today for Bhuvan's geodata part 2. Let's meet next time with another stream with another topic. Thank you.